So the funny thing was, before I started at Mohawk College, I actually applied for 2 different courses. I applied for the millwright course and the electrical course. In that time, it was a really big decision for me because I really liked the mechanics of being a millwright, but I also liked the electrical. And it was my father that said, you know, do you want to work in the greasy environment or do you want to run a wire to it? So that was him that sort of gave me the heads up to choose the electrical program. Well, I had a guidance counselor that really gave me a rough time, thinking that I was in the clouds. He didn't think that I would succeed. Him kind of giving me that negativity actually made me stronger. So there's some old school stuff that I've had to overcome, but I did, and I have, and people respect me for just being there. So doing my job. I was very driven. I had a small child at home that needed her mom to have a good job. And so for me, that was my incentive. Whenever there was a bad day, I always just looked to Sarah and said, you know, that this is why I'm here. I'd say that I got a lot of confidence from Mohawk College. I had some amazing teachers. So Don Curry, for example, is one that really jumps out at me as someone that didn't care that I was a female. He could care less. He was looking to see what my skill base was and what I could do. And that always made me feel very welcome. I have tried very hard to get women interested in the trades because there's no reason anyone can't do this, but they have to have the drive. And you can't teach the drive. They either have it or they don't. So I love doing what I do and then turning around and looking what the results are. So I love to see it's a little bit artistic in some regards, and it's nice to see what I've accomplished. Well, as a self-employed person, there's not a lot of, goals or not a lot of credit, I guess, for what you do. So I think getting the Alumni of Distinction from Mohawk College is just sort of a little, you're doing a good job.